In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated email in Mindbody. This process is designed to help you communicate more efficiently with your clients using Mindbody's marketing suite. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Mindbody business dashboard. Head over to business.mindbodyonline.com and sign in using your staff or admin credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu and click on Marketing, then select Marketing Suite. If you can't find the Marketing Suite tab, your plan might not include it, so you'll need to contact Mindbody support to get it activated. Once you're in the Marketing Suite, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Automations. This will show you a list of all your current automated emails. You might see default templates such as Welcome New Client, Client Win Back, Birthday Email, or Membership Expiring. These are ready for you to use or modify as needed. If you want to create a new automation, click on the Create Automation or New Automation button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. You have two options: start from a template or build from scratch. Using a template allows you to take advantage of Mindbody's pre-built structures, while starting from scratch enables you to set custom triggers and craft a message specifically tailored to your needs. Next, set up your trigger, which determines when your email will be sent. Choose a trigger that aligns with your purpose, such as welcoming a client who just joined, reaching out to one who hasn't visited in a while, celebrating a birthday, or reminding clients about expiring memberships. Select your trigger condition and adjust the timing, whether that's immediately after a few days or before an event. It's now time to write your email content. Start by entering your email subject and the sender's name. In the email body, use the drag and drop editor or HTML mode to add personalized touches like a greeting, a compelling message, and call to action buttons. Be sure to include links to your website or Mindbody schedule. For a professional look, incorporate your logo, brand colors, and social media links. After you've crafted your email, decide on your audience. You can target all clients, new clients, inactive clients, members, or those with particular tags or memberships. To set your audience filters, click on Recipients, choose your desired audience, and save your selection. Before sending, it's crucial to preview and test your email. Use the preview function to check its appearance on both desktop and mobile, and send a test email to yourself to ensure everything, including personalization fields, displays correctly. Once you're satisfied, activate your automation by toggling the automation status to active and saving your changes. Mindbody will then automatically send your emails based on the conditions you've set. Finally, monitor your email's performance through the performance dashboard in the marketing suite. Pay attention to key metrics like opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and deliveries. This data will help you tweak your approach for better engagement in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully created and activated an automated email in Mindbody. Keep refining your strategy with the insights you gather, and remember, effective communication is key to maintaining strong client relationships.